Ex nihilo creation came. But my path to now was not the same. No, Adam was dust and breath of God. My substance bears his name. And we, the portrait of him and also of the earth, the dusty breath of God, are blessed to redeem creation's worth, to reconcile her to her Lord. The divine and the dust are met in us. Priests, we bridge the divide. Humans alone are those who know the beauty of both sides. We make creation sacred. We are its voice. We sing its song. We choose what we will make it. To rape and grasp and so defile it and ourselves as we take it? Or to lift it wholly to angels' eyes, when with it a gift we craft that will to heaven rise? The beasts without Adam would have no name. It was from him their meanings came. So creation calls with one accord for me to offer her to my Lord, to breathe the breath of God divine and my signature to sign, his life to share, but my gift to hold her in my hands and to the earth declare, I am a son of God, true, but a son of dust, that I am too. I bring God's name, I bring his breath to bless your naked frame. Into